Here's a quick tutorial on how to buy your coins and stake them. Very simple. So once you have successfully logged into your Mavi account, so what you need to do is go to the top left. You see those three lines on the top. You click on them. You will see staking hubs. You just click on staking hubs. Okay, so it's going to take a while to load. Good. So it's all loaded now. All right, so you choose the one that you want. That's what you want to buy. So for example, I want to buy 500 USDT. It's looking like 5,000 or 50,000. It's not. It's just 500. That's Light Plus. We have Basic. Basic is 100. Basic is here, 100. We have Light, which is 300. Then we have Light Plus, which is 500. Standard 1,005. Standard Plus $5,000. Of course, if you have a lot of money, you can decide to go for the bigger ones, 30,000 USDT and all. This is a very good project. I recommend it. I highly recommend it. Remember, this is not financial advice, but I've not seen a project like this in quite a long time. And so if you find the opportunity to go into this, I just advise you to just go 100%. Don't waste too much time analyzing what is not. So all you just need to do is click on buy now at that 500. If you have money already in your club balance, you can use that, but you click on buy with USDT. When you click buy with USDT, you select the network that you want to buy. We have, of course, here we have only Binance Smart Chain, that's BEP20, BSC network, and we have the TRC20 network. Personally, I prefer the TRC network, because of they're both cheap anyways, but I prefer the TRC20 network. So all you just need to do is click on TRC20. Once you click on that, you have to understand that you have read the terms and conditions and you understand excellently well. All right, so all you just need to do is create order. So it's going to load for a while. All right, you see the wallet address here. All you just need to do is click on this, and the wallet address has been copied. Now that is a specific one for this $500 you are going to send. So all you just need to do is take this address to your Binance. When you get to your Binance, you just transfer 500 to this address. Now don't forget, TRC20, as at the time of making this message, the charge on TRC20 is $0.8. So if you are going to send it, just ensure you are sending 500.8. So once you do that, you're going to see the final amount is going to be 500. As if you're using Binance. If you're using any other exchange, just ensure that the final amount that is going to get to them is the exact amount that you are going to be staking. So if you don't do it like that, they will have to send your money back. So the invoice has already been created for you, so you don't need to worry. You just need to close it. So once you have closed it, all you just need to do is wait for it to reflect.